Why are you yelling? Come on. Here, throw me the ball. Good job, you missed. Do it again. You missed again. Here's one more in there. You do it. Are these ones stuck? Okay, now try.